I would say a good way to define this community is a blue collar culture, people that work very hard. We have a large Hispanic Latino community. We have a large Black culture, Asian culture, a variety of cultures that are in Bakersfield itself.
Kern County is often forgotten, but it is the third largest county in California in terms of square miles.
When I think of Kern County, I think of the mass amount of produce that's being generated here, and just really seeing the irony of the correlation of the mass production that occurs here, but also there is a high rate of food insecurity in Kern County.
I think one of the challenges with our outreach efforts first was being confused with CalFresh food, food stamps. But CalFresh Healthy Living is, a separate program and focuses on different things.
One of the biggest issues that our communities face are high obesity rates, along other chronic diseases such as type 2 diabetes, which is why Rethink Your Drink Day is such an important campaign. We want to create awareness of these links between sugary sweetened beverages and chronic diseases.
Rethink Your Drink is a California initiative to help reduce the consumption of sugary beverages and focus more on drinking just natural water. There are water recipes that you can infuse the water with fruits, and it makes them really tasty. The Rethink Your Drink event looks like a resource fair where you're able to bring in different community organizations to promote their resources within the CalFresh Healthy Living program, provide a water demo with fruit-infused waters, having a lot of fun physical activities. We had the Bakersfield Park and Recs organization provide a mobile physical activity station, and lots of music, lots of dancing, lots of community involvement.
It's a great thing to start a conversation with somebody to make better health choices in their life, because liquid calories are the majority of your sugar consumption. And I think with a lot of cultures, you take that into factor and you don't realize the sugar that's being drank through your beverages.
Last year, our event had 2 community organizations that collaborated for our Rethink Your Drink Day. And this year, we had over 30 community partners that joined our Rethink Your Drink Day. So collaboration and building partnerships is definitely something to focus on.
I'm most proud of our events just continuing to get bigger and bigger. We first started with a super tiny event. It was a successful event because we partnered with an agency who had a program already being implemented, so the community members were already there. But each year we're making it bigger, we're making it better. So to our colleagues in other communities and other counties, I would just say, don't get discouraged. Look for your champions either in the community or organizations. Don't be scared to collaborate. We're stronger together. And if you can have organizations work towards the same goal in slightly different ways, it's gonna make the world of a difference.
If I was speaking to another county, I definitely, let them know to continue to create, those essential partnerships, bring those collaborators that are willing to create an amazing event or change for the community.
It worked here, it can work for you.